let's start with the values, okay? So the first value that actually inspires everyone is the value of communication. Communication is essential. You have it written as a principle in the Agile Manifesto, and yes, you do have it as a value in eXtreme. You have to communicate with your customer. You have to communicate with every team member. You don't get to have a team of developers that do not speak with the business team. Everyone is working with the same goal, even the customer. So yes, you have to communicate, even if this implies using something old-fashioned to communicate. Remember, face-to-face communication is the best way. Simplicity, keeping things simple. Sometimes the beauty lies in the same simplicity that you should apply to your everyday decision. So, when conducting a development of a software product, listen to your client, communicate with your team, and do things as simple as possible. Clients usually want something simple, okay? So, give simplicity to them, give simplicity into your team. Feedback is fundamental for you to achieve your main goal, that is to provide your customer with outstanding software and exactly what the customer wants. So get feedback from the customer as frequently as possible. Get feedback from the members of your team, because as a team you need to grow and you need to improve on your methods. And finally, have courage, because in life, if you want something new to be done, and especially if it is something that you haven't done so far, you need the courage to take action to do it. So yes, it takes courage to implement eXtreme programming, whether you're a developer, whether you're a project manager, whether you're a tester, whether you're a designer, whether you're a customer, because this implies change and this implies a lot of communication that you usually don't have in traditional settings. And this basically is the last value that is fundamental for eXtreme programming, and not only. It's respect. You should have respect and you should implement a policy of respect inside your team, whether you're speaking to one another, whether you're dealing with a customer, and there are customers that are quite harsh and quite disrespectful, okay? But you should have always this in mind. You should respect other people, and please do remember, respect your work. Your work is very important and should be respected. Respect your work and respect your team's work.